haven't had much time to vlog today, but I've been baking. So it's Paola's 20th birthday today, and one of the things that she asked for was a birthday cake made from scratch. So I've been trying to upload my vlog, which I again have learnt an easier way of doing it today from my phone to my computer. Every day is a school day. I've been making this cake and I've got it completed. So I know I should have vlogged as I was doing it, but I didn't. So I will show you the finished product. But I'm just on my way to Pole. It's a gorgeous sunny evening. It's 6:30, well 6:25. You have to excuse the sun.
That was great.
Well, I don't want to sit on my arm. You have to sing with me. Come on. Babe, where's your phone? Put happy birthday on lights. Okay, this is a red velvet sponge cake. It's got buttercream icing in the middle, and it's covered in white icing and decorated with flowers. I haven't made a cake for years, so I was surprised it turned out so well, considering, yeah, I haven't made one since the girls were tiny. But she wanted a cake, so she got a cake. Come on, got it, babe.
This is not happy birthday, is it?
It is.
That's it.
Is that as high as it goes?
Oh, it's my phone. It's not a speaker.
The quality sound effects there.
We need to get a knife and cut it. I should have bought a...
I know someone who eat it.
It's a bit difficult because it's not in the middle, is it?
Well,
sorry.
Even if it was, it would make it even more difficult.
I like all the moisture that's coming out.
That's right, that's Mum's spit.
Exactly.
Because she licked those things and stuck them on
Cases.
with her spittle.
It's been a long time since I've made a cake. Just remember that.
Yeah, she's
A
on
lot of years.
I'm scared.
Go, Bennett, look at that big old chock she's cutting.
It's not that big.
It is, look at it. But you don't eat all of that.
Oh, we need plates. Babe, should you put the plates away?
I didn't put the plates away.
Okay. Can you get one out?
Okay, that's great.
Hold on. Oh, come on, Bennett. Come this way. Lately, I'm just getting blamed for everything.
Doesn't want to come out, man.
That's my fault.
Doesn't want to come out.
I don't know then. I just made it.
Do you want to,
See, look, you made that.
Hey! I didn't do too bad, did I?
Where's it gone?
You made that.
Considering.
Yeah, we haven't tasted it
Right,
yet.
now you need to
It's
take.
fine.
Does it?
Taste the cake,
Kind of fork or something.
Paola.
Yeah.
Taste the cake.
I'm at the gym early. I can't believe it. 10 minutes early. But that is only because my session has been moved. Oh, excuse me. So my session has been moved to 11 o'clock from 10:30. And I had to drop Derek at the train station. So that's the only reason I'm early. But yeah, I'm sat outside the gym. And I might even go in and do a bit of an extra warm-up. Just had a banana. I've got my drink with me, which is Lucozade Sport mixed with a couple of vitamins, and the sun is shining. It's 21 degrees and it's a beautiful day. I was meant to be going to London later, but I'm not now. I'm going to stay here and do some stuff in Northampton while Derek's in London for a couple of days. But yeah, I'm going to head out into the gym. Okay, I've just come from Primark and I've now come to use the sunbed, and I just want to show you the sunbed that I use pretty much, well, I definitely use it weekly, maybe sometimes daily as well. So I buy a month's course, so it's for 30 days, and I pay £75, and that's for the Sun Angel at the tanning shop. So this is what it looks like. I will turn you around and I will show you the other side. So this is it. Info. So you've got the control panel along here with all your buttons that you can use while you're in sunbed. Yeah, speakers there. And then you've got the lights, the facial tanners going all the way across the top. And these are also shoulder tanners. And then you've got a ridge for your neck to sit in. And then the same this end for your feet. And then this is how you control it. So you'll go on for 20 minutes and then you'll control the temperature with this, and I'll show you how I do that. Let me just get undressed.
If you tan the first time, we suggest only to use the minimum dose. Therefore, please leave the sensor in the station. You have selected the forehead measurement has now been completed. Measurement successfully completed. Please return the sensor. The sunbed is now calculating your personal tanning program and will start automatically in a few seconds or after pressing the start button. Please enter the sunbed now. Enjoy.
You to wear on your eyes instead of like the old plastic goggles with a string.
Tanning starts now. This ergonomic sunbed has always meant to inform you at all times of the operating steps performed during the tanning session.
Just about to leave for the gym again. So I went for my class this morning, for my PT this morning, and I am now heading back out for a class at 6:15. So it's Taibo at 6:15. Tonight I'm wearing my waist trainer. So usually for my classes I'll wear a waist trainer. I don't to pole and I don't for my PTs. This is just from Waist Shapers UK, and it's one of the Velcro sports ones. So you literally put it on that way and then you can make it even tighter. And then I wear a top underneath because as you sweat you need something to soak it up, otherwise you'll get sore skin. So it's always a good idea to wear a top underneath that you can just sweat onto. I find it really helps. It helps with giving me more of a curve in my waist. It helps with any excess weight that you've got around you know, like your muffin top and just under your back. It does make your exercises a bit harder. So when you are working out, you do have to work a bit harder because obviously this is so restricted here. Not great for stretching, obviously, because it's not that flexible, but as waist trainers go, this is the best one I've found, and I've tried quite a few. This best one I've found for working out. Okay, so I just had a bit of a moment. Oh, let me turn that down. I had a bit of a moment in the gym. In fact, I had a couple of moments. So to help with my pelvic floor, because obviously, you know, menopause, getting older, all the usual, I do not want issues with my pelvic floor. So I wear Kegal balls to exercise my pelvic floor while I'm doing whatever, walking around or exercising or whatever. So I wear them as much as I can. Am I going to hit the car? No. And they're fine, you know, they stay in place. But tonight's class was very jumpy. So it was Taibo. It was very, very jumpy. Very high energy. I had a moment where twice they fell out. Twice. So I ended up having to run out the class. I think everyone thinks I've probably got an incontinence problem. So I had to run out the class to go to the toilet and readjust them. And I thought the first time maybe I just didn't put them in properly, so I thought that's fine. I'll go to the toilet, sort myself out, come back to the class and we'll carry on. So I did that and then started the class again, and yeah, they started coming out as I was exercising. And it's just a good job that the gym I go to is an all ladies gym. As I'm walking through the studio, oh sorry about the light there, obviously there's only women around, and I'm I mean, I've got to say I was laughing. Oh, yeah, don't go into reverse. Oh God, I'm having a right nightmare here. Maria, sort yourself out, love. That's basically what just happened through my glass. This is what happens when you start getting older and you have to start looking after everything. I'm going to drive home. I'm going to open all the doors and the windows. I've turned the heating off. I wasn't expecting to turn it off till the 1st of May, but turned it off today because I know it's going to be warm all week. And Derek's at an event in the Dorchester. I'm going to go back into my office, put the TV on and crack on with some work. Paolo and I have come out for crepes.
Crepes.
Sorry?
Crepes.
That's what I just said,
I said
crepes.
crepes.
Well, I didn't say crepes, I said
You
crepes.
said
I said crepes.
crepes.
So we've come into town to a crepe place, which apparently has been there for years, but I've never been there. And now I know it's there. I'm going to be doing it all the time. And we've got the same flavour that we got the other day in Bicester, which is maple syrup, bacon and chocolate. And now we're going home to sit in the garden with a hot coffee. I know that's really stupid, but hot coffee and crepes. And I'm going to enjoy the sun for a bit. I'm in shorts, Adidas shorts with an Adidas top and Fenty pink fairy sliders. Okay, just leaving the hair salon and I'm about to go home. Oh, let's not get run over by a bus. Okay, so got rid of all my roots. My hair is now back to black all over and I feel really happy again. But am I the only one who finds it really painful at the hairdressers? I just find the whole experience really painful. It's as bad as getting my eyebrows threaded. I don't know if I've got a really sensitive scalp, and I'm not blaming the hairdresser or the salon because I've been to loads of salons. I don't favour a hairstylist, so I usually sort of like whoever's free. So I'm not blaming. Oh my God, it's boiling in here. Oh my God, it's so hot I can't sit back. So I'm not blaming anybody for it. I'm just saying that I personally find, and have always found, going to the hairdressers not relaxing at all. I don't like it. It hurts when they put the fingers through my hair. It hurts when they wash it. Everything. I just must have a really sensitive scalp and really sensitive hair follicles. I don't know what it is. I'm probably the only one. I hope I'm not. But yeah, I don't enjoy going to the hairdressers. It's one of the treatments that I get done that I don't look forward to. Other than getting my roots coloured in again, I don't find it relaxing. I spend the whole 2 hours just wincing. But I'm on my way home now and I'm gonna put some music in the garden and wait for my friend to come around for coffee. It's such a beautiful Friday evening. We are just gonna pop and sit in a pub garden somewhere. I've just done a bit of recording for this makeup look, and again I'm wearing Primark foundation. Yes, we're just going to go and sit in a pub garden. I'll show you what I'm wearing. So these are, oh God, again everything's Primark. Primark glasses, Primark earrings, Primark bodysuit, trousers are H&M, shoes are Primark, You'll have to excuse any noise going on behind me. There's a couple of guys chopping some trees down out the back. I'll have to speak around them. I'm sat in my garden. I'm doing a bit of a tidy up out here, and I've got a barbecue starting, but I've just been to B&M and Tesco's just to buy a few bits. I just wanted to show you what I've just picked up for the garden and the barbecue. Okay, one of these barbecue brushes for $2.69, and that's a barbecue scrubber from B&M. Sausage grill, again from B&M for $1.99. Some skewers, 6-pack wooden handle metal skewers, $1.99. So these are $2.99, and these are pop-up food covers. I'm going to use them obviously when we're having barbecues and eating outside. Burger griller, $4.99. I'm thinking this is going to look really nice in one of the trees. So it's a spiral wind spinner for $4.99. I've been looking at that for ages. I'm going to put that up. Some peanuts for the birds, and then some orange lilies to put on the table.
Catch those cheesy balls. Last one. Randy, what's over there? What's that there?
So I'm proper starving now though.
There you go. There's your spice.
Okay.
Do you want more?
No, that's fine.
You're
That's
such as it. Where's Dad's face?
No, that's fine. No, seriously, that's fine.
Oh, I forgot that. I've been doing those for one-handed. Ah, God, these things get hot.
The handles.
Down here as well, you see.
That,
That's the sacrifice that's
huh? So this look was for Saturday night out with my girls, and I did film it. We've come shopping again in DW, and I found a couple of items, a couple of Adidas items. Oh yeah, bags under my eyes after a night out.
both your laces, please.
No.
Blimey.
Where's the sale stuff then?
We're in a separate room.
Oh, is it?
Taking after. You alright?
Yeah.
You want to get matching ones for Dad?
No,
I've got them, haven't I? Look.
That's
yeah,
not the
that-
same shoe as
that's not
I
mine.
the
don't
same
need
shoe.
another black and white pair of trainers
That's
now.
nothing like
to be
them.
fair. I still really like these Nike. I still really like those.
I put them on back shoes.
Yeah, I know, but I quite like those.